Today I'm showing you an n8n AI agent that can research a business's competitors faster than you ever could manually. Powered by Perplexity, it finds real data, real insights, and turns it into a usable strategy automatically. Set on a schedule, so you can have this running daily, weekly, hourly, whatever you fancied, and they will email you the reports. The last video I recorded, we had a look at lead enrichment. I can link that video here if you want to take a look and see another way of using Perplexity. In this video, we're going to focus on this agent. If you want to save yourself some time and download this template, I'll leave a link in the description. There's a few other ones on the page there you can download, take a look at. And the tutorials for each of those you'll find on my YouTube channel. If you want to build along and you're new to n8n, any of these nodes that you find on the canvas here, you'll just click on the plus icon, drag and drop them onto the canvas, and you'll be able to set them up as we go through. The schedule trigger is set to run daily. The AI agent now, what I've put here are the 3 competitor domains to research. Competitor 1, OpenAI, competitor 2, I've put Claude AI, just to run as an example. If you've got a business, you could write all of your competitors' domains down on here, and then the agent will keep on top of it on your schedule, do research, and then depending on what research you want and how you want those reports written to you, what we've got in the agent is we've got this system message. We take a look at the system message here. So you're an expert competitive intelligence researcher. Now you can edit this system prompt to give it the role that you want. You'll notice there's H1 and these red bits here. This is because it's a HTML email that I'm sending. Just makes the formatting nicer, easier to read. And if you download the template, this will all be pre-populated, so you could read. I'm not going to read through the whole thing now. You can just pause the video, screenshot it. Feel free to copy this if you like. But editing this will change the results that you're getting out. If there's something in particular you want, if you're focused on news from a competitor or recent blog post, keyword information, you can put that all in here, play around with that system prompt until you're getting the output that you want. Now this agent is connected to a chat model. So the chat model is essentially the AI agent's brain. If we take a look on here, if you haven't done this before, you're going to need to set up a new credential. To do that, you head over to OpenAI's website, create an API key, paste the API key in here, click save, that's it, done. If you need to go more in depth on there, you want a step-by-step tutorial, then take a look on my channel. I can leave a link in the description to a video that goes over that in more depth. In this section, you select the model that you're going to be using. Find 4.1 works well. You've also got memory. You don't want it repeating itself. The context windows, like the last 5 times it's run. So if you set this up weekly, over the last 5 weeks, it will know what it's done before. Now you need a key. For the session ID, I've set this up with a timestamp, just so it has reference to like each time it runs. Now here's where Perplexity comes in. I've given this agent a tool. The tool's Perplexity. You're going to need an API key to be able to access this. It's something that you have to pay for. It's literally like a few pence a run that I found. You can go onto Perplexity's website. You can play around. It is designed for research. They've got a few different models. If we have a look at those just quickly. So we've got Sonar, that's the one we're using. So fast, reliable answers with detailed research. And then you've got Sonar Reasoning and then Sonar Deep Research. You can take a look. If you're setting this up, you just head over to Account, click on API, and say top up with a couple of, if you're just testing it, you're not sure if this is going to work for you, it's a couple of dollars, plenty enough to run a test. This is how we've got this set up in here then. So we go in here, create new credential, this is where you put your API key, and then tool description, set automatically. So on this message we can define automatically by the model. It's one thing. So we can either put that as a dynamic value, drag it across, or we just click that little magic icon defined automatically by the model. The last node that we've got, let's just get it running. And then the last node here is a Gmail. Set up a send a message Gmail node. You will need to set up your Gmail credentials. It's a bit more involved. Oh, ding dong, there we are. That's that email just come through. A little bit more involved. So what I can do, I can leave links in the video description to how to get that set up. There's a little bit of stuff that you need from Google, and then there's also some stuff that you need to do in here to get that set up. I don't know if you heard that email's just come through, and we can take a look at that here. So we've got a weekly competitor intelligence report, and then the two domains. So we've got OpenAI, gives a summary, some key insights. Then we've got the one from Claude AI as well. There we have it, as a research competition agent with Perplexity. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. If this was useful, really appreciate if you can like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I've actually got another video that I'm going to use, another use case with Perplexity. So it's going to be a public relations AI agent. So using the same tools, using Perplexity, but this time it's going to be searching for us. If you've got a business online and you want to keep on top of people that are mentioned in your business, or even like keywords, if there's particular keywords you want to rank for and you want AI to just keep on top of those keywords and message you over reports, then this video will be for you. We'll record that soon, so yeah, don't forget, hit that notification bell. Don't forget, you can download this, save yourself some time. I'll leave a link in the description. If you head over, just download this template. If you've not done that before, you just click on here, import from URL. All of the nodes will just pop onto the screen. All you need to do then is just set up all your API credentials and log into like your Gmail. If you've got ideas of other workflows that you'd like to see, please leave those in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Hope you have a great rest of your day.